birthday, Elijah.
Happy birthday!
You like your new Jeep?
Yeah!
Can you drive it without stopping every 5 seconds?
No.
No, I didn't think so. You need a little practice. I'll let you drive in the road. I don't see anybody coming. You want to get out on the road?
Yeah.
All right, get out there. All right, drive it. Just keep on the gas. All right, you're doing a better job. Just keep giving it gas. Go, 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 go. Like it, buddy? All right, don't run over anybody's car. All right, we gotta get out of the road. Someone's leaving. Yeah, okay. False alarm. All right, keep going. You like it? All right, start turning it. Okay. Yeah, we're taking a walk. The thing goes in another gear, but I don't know if you're ready for it yet. Yeah, we'll get you out of the road if there's a car coming. All right, pull it out off the side of the road and we'll turn it around. Well, let's go back to the house. Turn it around. See if you can turn it around. Let's check out some of these stickers on this thing. Oh, yeah. The radio works, huh?
Yeah. The radio works.
The radio works. We got headlights, tail lights. All right, let's turn this thing around. Can you get it turned around?
I don't know.
You don't know. All right, well, can you tell everybody bye then?
Bye.
Happy birthday, buddy. Love you.
Me too, because it's almost your birthday. Yeah. And we picked it up because it wouldn't right. And we have to wash it right.
Yeah, we're washing it. We're going to change the steering on it to be similar to this one. And we're going to put some different rims on it. I think these are the rims off of this one.
Yep.
And I think we're going to go with some different kind of wheels on this one that get better traction. Because look, these don't get no traction because they're, ooh, no tread. But we got something in mind that might work.
Why are we fixing?
We're going to fix it. Well, we're really going to do an update on this one. And hopefully this one will come out cooler than it was before. We did cut that, what are those things called? The fog lights off of the front of it. So it's going to have a little bit different front end and different steering.
Yeah. And one thing about that.
One thing about that. Hurry up. Wind it up. I'm saying we got to get to a close.
Oh. So what we mean is this. Is this broken?
It's just broken? Do you think we can fix it?
Yeah. I think we could fix it all time.
Okay. Well,
and today, we have the best meal today.
Alright. Well, tell everybody bye then.
Bye!
Doing a rebuild on the Jeep, and some of the stuff that we're going to do is change these gauges. If you notice that it's kind of a pink, Malibu Dream is still there. And I made some new stickers, and these are just out of paper, and I clear coated them. That's going to be the coolest one, and we're going to put them on there. We're also building something that sticks a cell phone on. It's kind of ugly from there, but it will look pretty cool. Trust me, I'm an expert. But anyway, we'll see what it looks like. I'm kind of excited to see what these gauges will look like in there once we take the Malibu Dream out of it. The dream has died. These look pretty cool. I don't think that they're going to last forever, but it just looks cooler than what was there. Got the bullet holes, something written in Japanese. Don't know what it means. Probably something offensive. But anyway, I don't think it's going to last that long, but I think it'll just look cool in the meantime. I might be able to put a piece of plastic covering on it, and it might last 100 years. You never know. But anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. I can't get it all into focus because of the steering wheel, but I think that looks a lot cooler. Ciao.
Doing an update on the old original Army Jeep. We changed the rims over from the Escalade to these knobby four-wheeler tires, and I'm thinking it's going to get a lot of traction. We had made it for a car show. Hurry up. All right, good driving. Hey, well, turn on the headlights for safety. All right, they're on. All right. Now see if you can drive up the hill in it. Keep going. Good job, buddy.